Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese balls at home. Start by gathering all your ingredients. Ensure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. Have your shredded cheddar, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, and onion powder ready. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, homemade appetizer that everyone will love. Now let's get to the fun part. Mixing. Ensure your cream cheese is soft for easy blending. Combine 8 ounces of cream cheese with 2 cups of shredded cheddar. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, along with 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powders. Mix everything until it's smooth and evenly distributed. This creates the flavorful foundation for your cheese balls. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to shape it. You can form one large ball, several smaller ones, or even a log. After shaping, roll it in your favorite coating, like chopped nuts or herbs. Then, place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for firming the cheese and allowing the flavors to fully develop. Your homemade cheese ball is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best taste and texture, let it sit out for about 15 minutes before serving. Pair it with a variety of crackers, crisp vegetable sticks, or even pretzel crisps. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives adds a lovely finishing touch. This appetizer is always a hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.